Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up an alligator on the grill, and it's real easy to do. Alright, what we have here is a skinned and clean 5-foot gator, and this here is the perfect size for tailgating, or for restaurants, or your own backyard pit. You definitely gotta check this out. Now, what we're gonna do here first is we're gonna make ourselves a rub, or Cajun Creole seasoning, and let's use some paprika, some onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, basil. Just go to our website and you can get all the ingredients and how to make this rub, and it's real good. All right, here we've got some red snapper, fresh caught. We're going to be throwing this on the grill too, and we're going to be cutting up some onions, a trinity. We'll be using some carrots, and celery, bell pepper, and all that kind of stuff. So you got to do some chopping of veggies here, because we're going to make a cornbread stuffing. And in this cornbread stuffing, we're going to have some andouille sausage. We're going to have some crawfish. And we're going to cook it down just like this. Right? You know all about sweating down some veggies. Man, you smell that? It smells good. Now to the pot, we're going to add a little bit of this Louisiana Crawfish Company hot sauce. Man, you get it hot as you want. There's nothing better than hanging at the pit with some good friends, cooking up some good eating, man. Now, if you've never had gator on the grill before, you definitely got to check this out. All right, the veggies have been cooked down. And here we've got some crawfish tails. We're going to put about a pound of it in this pot. Again, you can go to our website and get the exact ingredients for this. Man, just give it a mix.
These are good ones here, bro.
Oh, yeah.
I've had a lot of stuff here. Yeah, dog it. I tell you. They do it right. Do it right.
Ready. Now, of course, you want to bless the pot. It's optional. Now, again, you want to season to taste. And use your favorite seasoning. All right, the veggies have been cooked down. And here we're adding a little bit of chicken broth right there, because now we're going to throw in some cornbread stuffing. And just follow the recipe on the package you use. Get it right.
I need some more of that.
All right. This stuffing's ready. Time to stuff the gator. Oh yeah, baby. Now, like I was saying, this here is a 5-foot gator. There's plenty of room in the gut to stuff it full of this good andouille crawfish cornbread stuffing. All right? Now, some of you might be asking, what does gator taste like? Well, you do it low and slow like we're gonna do it. It has the consistency of pork or maybe chicken. It tastes real good. Just like stuffing a big old turkey now, isn't it? All right? Just take a bunch of scoops in there and get it in. Hey. Now, this stuffing will go good most anything you want to stuff with it. You know what I'm saying? It'll stand on its own. But for this gator, it's perfect. All right, she's been stuffed. Now what we're gonna do here is just trim it up a little bit of the excess fat, or some meat that's hanging off. You just trim it up a bit. And what we're gonna do now is stitch this baby up. You know what I'm saying? We want to keep all that stuffing in there while we do it on the grill. All right. See that? no different than trussing up a turkey, right? You know how to do that.
Let's go see the gator anyway. Bob, let's go see the gator.
You don't need the hands of a surgeon, but this helps. All right, this gator has been stitched. Now we're gonna put some rub, all right? And gonna put a little bit of oil on first. Use your favorite oil. This here is a canola oil. You can use a good table oil. You want to get it all over this gator here so this rub sticks on real good, all right? Now we're putting on that Cajun Creole seasoning rub we made up there. You want to apply it pretty liberally, all right? A lot of it, all right? Because we want to flavor up this gator. You got to remember, there's no fat on this gator, all right? So it's important to use a lot of rub. And we're going to be using a lot of basting, too, once we get it on that grill, all right? And it goes without saying, we want to give thanks for what gives us sustenance. Now, we've set our grill smoker here at about 250 degrees Fahrenheit because we're going to be cooking this low and slow for about 3 to 4 hours. And but the first hour, what we're going to do is we're going to tent it with some aluminum foil. And this will help tenderize the meat, maintain that moisture in that gator. All right. I told you it was easy. Yeah.